Okay, so we're going to look at prime factors, HCF and LCM. Now, I'm doing all these together because they often appear in the same questions. So here we go. First thing, it says write 24 as a product of its prime factors. Now, prime factors are a series of prime numbers that when you multiply them together, they make the number you're given. So, best way to do this is to go, well, we've got 24 and just keep dividing by prime numbers. Now, if it's even, I would divide by 2 and just keep dividing by 2 until you can't anymore. So we've got 2, 3. 3 is a prime number as well, so I always circle them as we go. Alright, and my answer would be 2 to the power 3 times 3. So it's 2 to the power 3 because there are 1, 2, 3 2s, and then there's 1 3 left. So we've got to do the same thing with 42. So we've got 42, divide by 2, we get 21. Right, well that won't divide by 2, 3 and 7. So I'm going to circle all the prime numbers because they're the prime factors. Now in this case they all appear once, so just 2 times 3 times 7 would be the answer. And there you go. Alright, all done. Now, as far as finding the HCF is, HCF stands for highest common factor. There are a couple of ways to do this. There's a Venn diagram way which could show you, or you could just list the factors. That's absolutely fine. But you can use the prime factors as well, and all the ones that are shared, okay, are going to be sort of in both the numbers. So I've done 24 and 42. Because I've done 24 and 42 here. So all the ones that are shared are going to be going to form the highest common factor when multiplied together. So I've got a 2 in both, so there's a 2 here and a 2 here. Okay, there's no more 2's, but there's a 3 there and a 3 there. So 2 times 3 equals 6. So 6 is the highest common factor. As far as LCM goes, I'm going to do 2 times 3. You multiply everything you see without repeats. So we do, actually, if I do it in a different colour, hold on a second. So here we go. I need a different colour. What shall I use? Purple will do. There we go. So I'm going to do 2 times 3 times 7. 2 times 3 times 7. Right, now I've used a 2 and a 3. Okay, I've still got 2 2's left, so a 2 and a 2 there. Times 2 times 2. And if I multiply all those together, that's going to give me 42 times 4, 168, which is going to be the lowest common multiple. So there is a way of doing that with Venn diagrams. Basically, you know, you can put them in here. So hold on, if I try and do the Venn diagrams, here we go. If I do it here, 1, 2, we got 24, we got 42. So we got 2 and 3 and 7 there. We've got 2 and 3 have already been used. 2 and 2. There we go. To get the sorry, that's not very clear. To get the lowest common multiple, we do the 2 to all the numbers you see in the Venn diagram. Right, to get the highest common factor is all the numbers in the intersection. Alright, so there you go, there's a few different ways of doing it.